Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn word problems 2 steps together, step by step. Some word problems take 2 steps to finish. First, you find a part of the answer. Then you use that part to find the final answer. Read the problem slowly twice. A number bond shows how parts join into a whole. We can draw one to plan each step. It helps us decide when to add and when to subtract. For each step, ask what happened. If we got more, we add. If something left or was taken away, we subtract. Match the words to the right action. Sam had 8 stickers and got 5 more. Step 1, 8 plus 5 is 13. Then he gave 4 away. Step 2, 13 minus 4 is 9. Sam has 9 stickers. So 2-step problems need 2 parts. Solve step 1, then use that answer for step 2. Drawing a number bond keeps your plan clear. Always check that your answer makes sense. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.